What's up guys, welcome back to another video. As you all know, we're having our first ever live stream this Sunday at 8 o'clock to celebrate hitting 3,000 subscribers. Hopefully, we've actually lost a couple, but hopefully we can hit the 3,000 mark by then. But we're also celebrating 100 videos, so last week's video was our 100th video. This Sunday is going to be a live stream. This midweek video is just to show you one of the prizes that we're going to be giving away this Sunday. This is it, they've well packaged it. Look at how much tape they've put on this. Oh look, it says home built on it. Some other writing I don't quite understand. Jesus. I think we'll probably cut for a minute. I'll tackle the sellotape and we'll cut back in when I've got this open. Right, so we've managed to fight through the cardboard and tape and I've finally got through to the last bit of packaging. I tell you what, they've well packaged it anyway, that's for sure. But this is a pretty cool looking bit of kit. I have done a little bit of research on it. It's an all systems diagnostic tool, so it covers pretty much every car on the market. It can do everything for diagnostic, service reset, it can code injectors, it can do all sorts of stuff. It might even be up there with the Top Don. I think it's pretty much on par with the Top Don. It might even have a few extra tools on it, but what we'll do, obviously Charlie, we had the seats out of the Nissan Note to get it clean, and I drove it with the seats in it, sitting on a bucket, remember? Yeah. So the airbag light's on, so why don't we plug this in, we'll put the airbag light out with it. We'll have a test of some of the functions, we'll have a wee look at some of the live data, and we'll check the graphs and see if they refresh quite well, see what the refresh rate's like, and get a wee test and see what it's like before we get away. Right guys, first impressions, this is it's a well made bit of kit. It's in a nice blow moulded case, everything's strapped in nicely. It's a sort of 4.5 inch screen. It's a 4.5 inch screen. It's not a touch screen, which I think maybe isn't the worst thing, because you end up with greasy fingerprints all over it. I've noticed that with our Top Don, I've got to clean the screen all the time. The buttons, they're all sealed units, so there's no like holes for any oil and grease to go down. It's an 8 to 18 volt DC power supply, so you can't use it on a 24 volt system, but it's good enough for the cars. So it comes with all the cables. You simply plug the cable in here, screw these in to hold it secure, and then pop it into the OBD port in the car and turn the ignition on, and this will power up. It also comes with another cable for plugging into your laptop for doing updates, because you get lifetime updates, so anytime there's a new software release you can plug it in, go to the website and update your unit so it's up to date with the latest cars, softwares, or that type of thing. One thing I do like about this is you don't have to register anything. There's no email address, there's nothing like that, so it's sort of plug and play. You just plug it in and it works. There's no Wi-Fi connection, so it does mean that you can't sort of email yourself reports and graphs and things like that, but you don't have the hassle of registering all your details with a company. So plug and play. Let's plug it into the Nissan and see how easy it is to use and clear these codes. Plugged it in, powered it on. It's got auto VIN search and OBD2 search. I think auto VIN's pretty much going to be what you'll use the majority of the time. You've got your diagnostic tab and your maintenance tab. In your maintenance tab you should find all your settings, like your ABS service for bleeding ABS brakes, clutch adaptation for like your Citroen, replacing airbag ECUs, airflow adaptation, there's tyre size change in there for your TPMS, You've also got DPF there, so you can do DPF regenerations. You've got gear learning for automatic gearboxes. You've got injectors there, so you can actually adjust the flow rates, and you can put in the injector codes and reprogram the injectors to the ECUs. You've got service resets. There's loads of stuff in here, loads of stuff. So what we'll do first, we'll go back, we'll go to auto VIN. So it's fairly easy to use, pretty straightforward, self-explanatory. We've not even looked at the instruction manual, and it does come with a nice full colour glossy instruction manual, but
it's all in English.
Yeah, I think we've got enough experience, we can just send it. So hopefully,
there's a nice bit of kit.
I'm not going to peel the plastic off it. We'll let whoever wins it do that. So we've got it connected. I'm just going to click read the codes. Right, read codes. Side module left hand, side module right hand. Just what we expected. So if we go back and click clear codes, ignition on, engine not running, yes F3, DTCs and freeze data will be cleared, continue, codes cleared, simple as that. Airbag light should go off now, there we go, airbag light's gone. While we've got it running, we'll take this opportunity, because a lot of the things you do when you're using a diagnostic machine like this is you'll get a lot of generic fault codes, and when you Google them it's a generic fault, so you have to use live data, and a lot of tools, the refresh rate's not very quick, so when you're trying to read the live data you're not actually getting the live data that you're expecting. Lambda's a common one. We'll look at the lambda and we'll see if we can look at airflow as well, maybe air fuel ratio. So looking through the list, live data, there's quite a lot in here, so we can have like mass airflow, air conditioning relay, fuel pump relay, cooling fan. There's actually loads. Let's have a look at the lambda sensors. That'll do for now, but there's battery voltage as well. There's loads that you can choose for.
And the beeping gets quite annoying.
It does. I think you can turn it off though. It's got pause and save as well, so you can actually save the data because it has got a little card in here.
It should come with an SD card.
It's got a little memory card and it saves everything in there, so you can take that out, put it on your computer and save the graphs onto your computer. If we click onto the graphs here, we've got mass airflow there. The refresh rate is quite good. It's quite reactive. Oh, that's good. We can check the ignition timing as well. Put that in a graph. It refreshes quick enough for you to see what you're expecting to see. So one of the other things we'll do while we're in here, obviously this is up for sale, it's going to need a service before it goes to the new owner. So I think what we'll do is we'll go in and reset the service light while we're here as well. And to do that, I'm guessing it'll be under maintenance.
You can reset the oil on your Bugatti.
You can. So there you have it guys, an awesome bit of kit. Plugs in straight away, does the job. I managed to read some live data. We've managed to reset the airbag lights, I've reset the service light. So we're all good. Obviously we're not keeping this one, we're getting this one to one of you guys. So if you want to win this, make sure you're on the live stream on Sunday at 8 o'clock and make sure you've hit the subscribe button, because there is a load of people out there who watch your videos every single week but yet they've not hit the subscribe button. So make sure you hit the button, it's free, doesn't cost you anything, and it puts you in with a shout at winning this. Massive shout out to CGSULIT for getting involved with the channel and sending us this to give away to one of you guys, and hopefully we can deal with them a lot more in the future because they do loads of great tools. This is a proper professional level bit of kit. They do stuff that's a lot more DIY than this. But he said, it's the first time we're dealing with you. It's for your subscribers, so we'll send you the best one. So that's what they done. This was just a quick one, just to let you see one of the prizes that we're giving away and just to do a bit of a review video on it. I think it's a great bit of kit. If I wasn't giving it away, I'd be keeping this. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you're there on Sunday when we're giving this away, and a whole load of other prizes. Like I said, this is just one of them. We've got Amazon vouchers, we've got something for Top Don as well for you guys. So you'll probably see another wee video on Friday leading up to the live stream with the Top Don tool that we're giving away. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Make sure you're there on Sunday. Thanks for 3,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching our 101st video, and we'll see you on Sunday.